Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This look is inspired by an artist that I follow on Instagram. Here is the picture of the inspiration, and check them out on Instagram. Give them a follow because their work is amazing. Let's get into the video. Of course, I'm going to start off by gluing my eyebrows down with an Elmer's glue stick. I do about 3 to 4 layers and then I let it dry on each eyebrow and then continuously keep going over until the eyebrow is completely coated. When you run your finger across your eyebrow and you cannot feel any of the eyebrow hairs or grooves, then you're good to go. With NYX's white cream paint, I'm now going over my eyebrows just to make sure that if there are any areas that I may have missed, that the cream paint will fill in those areas. With white body paint, I'm now just starting to sketch out where those crazy eyes are going to start going. I mixed the NYX's white cream paint with the Makeup of Murder neon green pigment to create this pastel green color. Be aware that the cream paint is pretty difficult to get actually out of your brush, so I have a designated cream paint brush now, and it's this one because I can't get the cream out of it. With Mehron's translucent powder, I'm now powdering my entire face. This will set the product and keep pretty much my face from becoming like an oily mess. I usually let that sit for about a minute and then I will take a big, large, fluffy brush and then just sweep it away. Going in with white body paint, I'm now filling in those areas that I drew out for the eyes. With turquoise body paint, I'm now filling in each of the irises. Using a pointer brush and pink eyeshadow, I'm now starting to lay down a little bit of pink in random areas. I am kind of going from the reference photo and then also just doing my own thing as well. With gray body paint, I'm now just drawing some random like squiggly lines, and then I'm going back over on top of that with a little bit of water just to diffuse the edge so that it's not a harsh line. And then I'm also going back over some of those areas with a little bit of white body paint as well. Switching to a yellow body paint, I'm now just putting a light coat of yellow on top that I will also go over top of to blend that out. And then just adding just a touch more of gray back on top. I'm now starting to add some design to the irises, like adding the pupil and the outer ring around the eye, and then a few lines on the iris just to give it some dimension. And with white body paint, I'm adding some highlights onto the irises and all around the eye. With a small shader brush and the neon blue pigment, I'm now adding the blue all around this first eye. I'm going to be precise at first and then later go back in and blow that out. With a fluffy brush, I'm starting to blow out that blue color, and I do add a little bit of the neon pigment to my brush as well, just a little bit each time that I'm blowing out each of those areas. You don't want to add too much because it's easier to add on than it is to take away. With a more precise small shader brush and black eyeshadow, I'm going around the outline of that eye in black eyeshadow and then also smoking that out as well. With the medium fluffy brush and some green eyeshadow, I'm now adding just some contour around my cheekbones and my forehead, on my jawline, on my nose, so that it's just not a flat pastel green color. With a small fluffy brush and highlighter, this one is from Ofra. I'm just taking that down my nose and then on my cheekbones. In the picture, the drawing did have freckles, but I thought it'd be cute to do some rhinestones, so I added some rhinestones, did my lips, and added some lashes. And here's the finished look. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure to give it a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.